Walk onto a high-end manufacturing floor, and you'll see artisans combining premium organic materials with raw electrical components to build beautiful lighting fixtures. But when it comes time for safety testing, many overseas factories offer a dangerous shortcut. They assume that because they use pre-approved certified components, like a rated switch or a standard power cord, the finished product doesn't need its own independent testing. Beginner e-commerce sellers often accept this logic to save a few $1,000s in lab fees. Established commercial wholesalers and retail groups view this exact shortcut as an unacceptable liability. The reality of electrical manufacturing comes down to a simple engineering truth. An assembly of safe individual parts does not automatically equal a safe, complete system. In the United States, consumer safety standards are regulated by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. They don't mandate a specific brand of testing, but they require products to be evaluated by a nationally recognized testing laboratory. The two most prominent laboratories are UL and ETL. Both have deep roots in early electrical innovation, setting the benchmark for how we safely interact with electricity in our homes. A component-level certification only proves that a single piece, like a rocker switch in isolation, works under highly specific conditions. A whole product listing means the entire finished item carries its own safety mark. True safety requires evaluating how every piece of wiring, metal, and decorative fabric physically interacts within the final architecture of the product. To see where these interactions fail, we must look past the elegant exterior. Inside the casing, electrical current meets structural stress and heat. Take thermal accumulation. Enclosing a socket in unvented decorative materials traps heat, creating a fire risk. Mechanical strain frays cords and struck edges, so lamps must survive a 35-pound pull test. Finally, to prevent tip-overs, standards mandate an 8-degree incline stability test. Component-level testing ignores these critical physical, thermal, and mechanical variables. The individual parts might pass inspection, but the final build is a hazard. When a physical product fails, the fallout shifts immediately from engineering to the American legal system. The U.S. operates on the principle of strict liability. If an uncertified lamp shorts out and causes a fire, attorneys won't just target the overseas factory, they sue every domestic entity in the supply chain, from the importer to the wholesaler right down to the retailer. Commercial insurance carriers know exactly how risky this is. If a product lacks a finished goods safety mark, insurers will often refuse to underwrite the liability policy entirely or insert massive exclusion clauses that leave the distributor exposed to catastrophic lawsuits. Major retail groups enforce strict vendor compliance guides. They flat out reject purchase orders lacking a whole product mark to protect their inventory and brand reputation. Even digital marketplaces are closing the gap. Platforms like Amazon use automated algorithms that can flag an uncertified item and demand a full compliance certificate within 72 hours. If you only have certificates for individual wires, your listing is deleted and your inventory gets locked or destroyed. Skipping full product certification transforms a minor upfront saving in manufacturing into a massive, compounding financial liability for your business. Achieving true compliance is not a one-time lab test. It is an ongoing operational commitment deeply embedded in mass manufacturing. Once a product is listed, organizations like UL and ETL initiate strict follow-up surveillance protocols. This involves unannounced physical audits of the manufacturing facility up to 4 times a year. Inspectors verify component traceability, ensuring the exact certified parts are being used. They also confirm end-of-line dielectric voltage tests, known as high-pot testing, on every single unit, proving the factory isn't quietly substituting cheaper parts during production. Committing to this rigorous U.S. standard creates immediate global advantages. It translates smoothly to Canadian CSA standards and builds heavy trust with European buyers relying on CE self-declarations. This continuous surveillance and whole product certification provide a defensible architecture for scaling a premium brand. In the premium home decor and lighting sectors, safety compliance is the absolute baseline for commercial success. It is never an area for shortcuts. If you are looking to create, develop, and manufacture fully compliant home decor and furniture, reach out to Anita Hummel and the team at Mondoro. Subscribe to the Mondoro YouTube channel for deep insights into global manufacturing and international trade. You can also listen to the Global Trade Gal and Deep Dive by Global Trade Gal podcasts, available on all major streaming platforms. Join our newsletter and claim your free Mondoro lookbook by clicking the links in the description below.